When should you write the law school admission test, also known as the LSAT? The general position put forward by the admission committees of many law schools is that you should look to write the LSAT prior to commencing your final full year of your undergraduate degree. Given that most law schools open up their application process at the beginning of the school year that precedes the year that the successful applicants would be commencing law school. The benefit to the applicant of such approach is that in the event that they do not score as well as they intended, there are now 3 further dates in the autumn, being in September, October, and November, to retake the LSAT and improve your LSAT score, which will be dependent upon the law school's stated approach, which may involve taking your best LSAT score or taking an average of your LSAT scores based upon some mathematical formula. With the Law School Admissions Council having boosted the number of annual test dates to 8 for the United States, including Puerto Rico and the U.S. Virgin Islands and Canada, and 4 of those dates are available for all testing regions, there is now more than enough opportunity to schedule the LSAT based upon your personal schedule and your peak periods for test taking. For the fact remains, given the nature of the test, with only the style of questions being known, without any knowledge as to the actual subject matter, there are applicants who would prefer to be taking the LSAT while there is comparable intensity from their current university sessions and the intense testing regime that they are in the midst of, such that they are looking at the January, February, April dates, or even the earlier autumn dates, while there are those applicants who prefer taking the LSAT when they are not attending university, such that they look at the June or August dates. As such, it comes down to one's personal preference and where one believes that they might best excel with the test. Given that the LSAT has been developed to make each test comparatively neutral as to its outcome, such that it is next to impossible to determine if one particular testing date will produce a better or worse test for an individual applicant. Instead, the applicant should be looking at what serves them best and based upon their own schedule and personal experience with test taking, when they might best excel with this particular test, and proceed on that basis, since if there is any differentiator between possible test dates, it ultimately comes down to what you personally believe is the best for you alone, such that once you have set your sights on that particular date, you should be committing yourself to making it the best possible day to proceed with the LSAT and excel in your performance. Thank you.